social media interaction, Snapchat, Facebook, IG in the last couple of weeks, particularly in Munich, you seem to be enjoying yourself. What is it to you to be just right in the few weeks leading up to championship?
That's always the key. As I said, I was feeling good. I'm feeling better after every race. My training was going good. I had good treatment at the doctor, so I'm happy, and that's a good thing. When you come into a championship, know that you're healthy and you're pretty much, I wouldn't say at my best, because you know that I'm not at my best, but I'm really at the level that I want to be. So for me, that's the focus, and I'm happy about that.
Monaco, the start wasn't particularly good. You covered the field and then stepped off the throttle, 9.95. What have you fixed, and how do you see the execution going now?
Well, in Monaco, for me, I didn't feel as powerful. I was watching an interview, and I was watching a commentary, and they said I looked lazy, and that's how I felt. I didn't feel as powerful. I don't know what was it, but it's just one of those things. Sometimes you have to blow off that negative energy and get it going. So I know that going through the rounds, I always feel better and better through every round. So for me, that's the key thing, and I'm happy about that. And the only thing I've worked on mainly is my start, which is always a shaky part.